Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is about basic chemistry, and the question is that identify the element, compound and mixture from the following substances. I just write the question. Question is that identify the element, compound and mixture from the following. What are those substances? Initial: table salt, zinc, air, tin, sulfur, blood, Coca-Cola, water, glucose and silver. These are the substances in which we will identify or we will separate element, compound and mixture from each other. Now first of all we will have to draw column for elements, then mixture and finally compound. We know that in element all the atoms are identical which are made up of same type of elements. In following substances, zinc, tin, sulfur and silver all are the elements because all the atoms are identical present in zinc, tin, sulfur and silver. All the elements are made up of same types of elements. In the same way, when elements combine together chemically to form new compound with new properties is called compound. Table salt. Table salt is a combination of sodium and chloride. So sodium chloride is a compound. NaCl is a compound, that is sodium chloride. Next, water. Water H2O is a chemical combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Water is also comes in the category of compound. And glucose C6H12O6, that is glucose. Glucose is also the chemical combination of three different elements, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, with a ratio of 6:12:6 or empirical ratio of 1:2:1. It means that glucose, water and sodium chloride, all three are compound because they all are made up of chemical combination of elements. Now remaining air. Air is a mixture. Air is a mixture of different gases such as nitrogen, oxygen and other remaining gases. Next, blood. Blood is also the mixture. It is homogeneous mixture. It is also homogeneous mixture. And Coca-Cola, it's also come in the category of mixture because all the atoms or substances or ingredients combine physically. In mixture, which is made up of two or more than two pure substances, when they combine physically, they form mixture. Air, blood and Coca-Cola. the all three R's come in the category of mixture, while the element is a single entity and made up of same types of elements. Zinc, tin, sulfur and silver all are elements, while compound sodium chloride, water and glucose all are the chemical combination of elements, that is sodium chloride, sodium and chlorine combined together to form ionic compound, hydrogen and oxygen combined together to form covalent molecule. Same in the same way, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen with a ratio of 1:2:1 or 6:12:6 combined to form glucose. Hope you can easily identify the element, compound and mixture from the given data. If you have any query regarding understanding or differentiate between element, compound and mixture, so you can directly comment or text. Till then, fi aman Allah, Allah Hafiz, apna ख्याल रखें.